Some Java interview questions. Okay, so what is software? So software is automated solution for real world program, and software is what a group of programs. So now what is program? So program is nothing but set of instructions for hardware, okay, or a platform. So what is platform then? Then it is a combination of operating system and hardware. Then what is Java? Must asked question. Okay, not asked means you have to know this thing when you are going to give in the Java interview. So Java is a platform independent programming language. Platform independent means that we can develop a program in one platform and we can deploy or run same Java program into various platforms. So what is JRE? So this is like a JRE JVM are most asked question on Java. So JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. If JRE is not present on any platform, we cannot deploy or run the Java program. Then what JRE is like platform specific. Practically speaking, a runtime environment is a piece of software that is designed to run other software. As the runtime environment for Java, the JRE contains the Java class libraries, the Java class loader, and the Java virtual machine. Here, like, what is Java virtual machine? So JVM stands for Java virtual machine, and JVM is specification for JRE, and this is common for different JRE. So JVM is common for all the different JRE, and the JVM is responsible for ensuring Java applications have the resources they need to run and perform well in your device or cloud environment. Then what is JTK? So the Java Development Kit is a software development environment that offers a collection of tools and libraries necessary for developing Java applications. Uh, we need the JDK to convert your source code into a format that the Java runtime environment can execute. So the JDK includes the Java runtime environment, means JRE, and interpreters Java, a compiler Java C, a archiver means jar, a documentation generator means Java doc, and some other development tools. So these things are JDK include. So the Java runtime environment itself consists of the Java virtual machines, means inside JRE there is JVM, okay, and other supporting files and core classes. So this is the basic diagram of a JDK. The what JDK consists, like some development tools, and inside this JRE is present. So inside JDK there is JRE and some libraries and classes for the development of Java program, and inside JRE there is Java virtual machine which helps to execute the Java program. So why do we set the path, okay, Java path after installation the JDK? Okay, so to compile and execute the Java program we use Java C, we know, and Java. These are nothing but executable files. So what happened, operating system does not know about these, what is Java C and what is Java. So to make operating system understood about Java C and Java, we used to set the path after the installation of JDK. So what is association or has a relationship? So association is the concept or the process through which one or more than one object associated with another object. It is also called has a relationship. Okay, like student has a I card, pen, roll number, means there is a relationship between roll number and student. Okay, so there is two types of relationship. One is composition and other one is aggregation. So composition is known as strong has a relationship, and aggregation is known as weak has a relationship. What is composition or strong has a relationship? So it is a special form of association. Okay, here is an associated object cannot logically independently exist on its own without the owner object. Means a object which is dependent on some other object is not going to means exist without having the real means other object. If one object is destroyed, the existence of other object is also destroyed. So if the owner object is destroyed, then the associated object, or you can say child object, is also destroyed. That's why composition is known as strong has a relationship. You can understand by giving taking example like uh, water and fish. if we remove the water from the pond or lake, then what happens? Fish die. Okay, means fish is totally dependent on what? Water. So what is aggregation or weak hazard relationship? It is a special form of association. Means this is like opposite of aggregation is opposite of what? Composition. So here an associated object can logically independently exist on its without their honor object. So if the honor object is destroyed, then nothing will happen. Means associated object exist. Okay, so aggregation is also known as means what? Weak hazard relationship. If we destroy one object, then other object will still exist. Like take what example of student and school. If we destroy the school, then student can go to other school, or you can say like player and team. If we eliminate a team, then player can play with other team. Okay, means here player is not dependent on one specific team, and student is not specific dependent on one specific college. Okay, they can choose other colleges also. So here is the diagram, like fish is totally dependent on water. So here we represent with a field diamond shape, and like player is not completely dependent on team, so we represent here like with empty diamond shape arrow. Okay, so this is the classic diagram. What is object? An object is real world physical entity which has what? States and behavior. Anything which is physically present is called object. States of an object nothing but property of an information which describes an object. States of an object is programmatically represented as data member. Okay, so behavior of an object nothing but an action performed by an object. So behavior of an object programmatically represented as method. So an object is instance of what? Class. So example, if we take like mobile is an object. So if we talk about the states of the mobile, like model, color, price, RAM, capacity, etc. Okay, what are the, these are the like states. So what are the behaviors? So with the mobile phone we can make call, we can make we can send the messages also. So these are the what? Behaviors. So this is the part 1. Okay, so next for the Java questions, interview questions is coming on next video.